Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Hi friends, welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials. So friends, today we have learned SQL self-join query in SQL Server 2017. So friends, let's start. So friends, first we have one DB and new query and write a select command. Select start from TBL students. We have execute this query, friends. So friends, you can see all data are here. So friends, we write a self-join query, self-join query name as first name, first name. The B dot last name as a last name from TBL student A dot A and TBL student B, and we write a condition where A dot stdid and B dot stdid. So friend, we execute this query, execute them. So friends, you can see first name as a first name on capital first letters and also last name, and we have write execute this query. We can see the results. Self join only self table are using, only one table. So friends, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, friends, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and latest videos updates. Press the bell icon for more information. Like my Facebook page, follow on Instagram, Twitter and join my Google Plus community. If you have any query, friends, you can ask me on comment or email, and visit my website, friends, www.asp.nettutorials.com. and thank you friends watching videos.